How to remove the parental controls in Epic Games. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So first of all, open any of your browser and search for Epic Games. Once you reach there, make sure to log in. Now, in order to remove the parental control, first of all you need to click on the profile icon right next to download. Once you tap on it, you'll see different options. Click on accounts. This will drag you to another interface whereby you can see a list of options. From here, for the parental control, you will see it on the left side of the list of options. Tap on it. Now give the pin required that you skipped before and then tap on confirm. Once you open it, first of all you need to turn off the first option which says always allow pin or ask for pin to purchase. The next thing that you need to do is scroll down a bit. This is the place where you can set up the pin or ask for pin. If you set it to 3+, it will ask for everything, and if you set it to unrated, then no pin is required. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.